Why does your scanner show the P1619 engine code? What does it mean? P1619 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine oil life monitor reset circuit. This engine code indicates that this is a manufacturer-specific code, meaning its exact meaning can vary by vehicle make, but generally points to issues with the vehicle's ability to recognize the key or communicate with the security system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Diesel glow plug system, engine oil life monitor, immobilizer or security system, throttle position sensor, thermostat. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen Jetta, BMW, and Buick LeSabre models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.